Welcome back, y'all. Let's add a synth to this bad boy. I'm gonna add synth 1, right? Okay. We're going to go to external, right? Synth square lead. Filter. That's just a filter is basically just cutting out high frequencies or low frequencies depending on how you want to do it. But this time I'm cutting out high frequencies. So let's cut it out to maybe 20. And let's see how it sounds. Let's get the delay off. That's basically just an echo. Cut the chorus off. That's basically just an effect, making it sound a little bit more, wet. So that's good right there. And let's get it. Add this counter melody. Okay. All right. Nothing too serious. Let's get back. Cut this off. That's how you loop stuff. Let's turn this bass down. It's very loud. This is volume. By the way, this is volume and this is panning. Okay. As you can see, I'm just staying with the white keys, the basic keys. It's a safe bet doing it that way unless you're doing it chords. But I just stay with the white keys, and that gives me a good result usually if I'm in the key of D. If I start with D, if I stay with the white keys, it takes a little bit of practice, but you get a good melody that way. So let's go ahead and run that back, run that fire back, and let's see how that sounds. Let's get it. Sorry, just duplicating this over. Okay. Quickly, not to waste time. Okay, let's get it. All right, that's good right there. I like that. So that's how you add a counter melody using a synth. In the next one, we're going to be adding a pad, and we'll almost be done with the melodies. So I hope y'all enjoyed that. See me in the next one. Peace.